Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay. Today we will learn about the TSBIE, Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education, COVID-19 paper pattern, Arabic paper pattern. Arabic paper pattern. Okay. What is the change in the paper pattern, in the Arabic paper pattern in this academic year? What is the change? There is not a noticeable change, but very few bits are changed. For example, earlier we have section 1 to 16. Total 16 sections were there of total 100 marks. This year also we have section 1 to 16 and for 100 marks only. The grammar bit has not changed. There is no change in the grammar bit. The change occurs in the bit number 1. Bit number 1 to bit number 8. The changes are in bit number 1 to bit number 8, not from bit number 9 to bit number 16. From bit number 9 to bit number 16 there is no change in the paper pattern, but from bit number 1 to bit number 8 there is a change, there is a slight change. What is that change? We will learn this year. In the first section he will ask you to complete the verses and explain like this. Complete the verses and explain. This is your question. Complete the verses and explain. What he has given, complete the verses. Complete the verses and explain. Carry 6 marks. Okay. Carry 6 marks. He will give you 3 poem lines. For example, poem number 1, Allahu Jalla dash, then dash, Lahuz As-Sifat Al-Baqiyah. Like this he will give. Then Rabbus Samai wal Ara the wal Miyah Jariya. Wal Miyah Jariya. Okay. In this way he will give you 3 poems. Out of 3 you have to answer 1. How to answer the question? Here you have to fill the blanks. Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu Lahu Sifatul Baqiyah. Rabbus Samai wal Ara Zi wal Miyahi Jariya. After completing these blanks, you have to give the explanation. Earlier, you were not giving explanation. In the first year, you have to write the whole 2 lines. But in this year, what you have to do, you have to just fill the blanks, then give the explanation. Carry 6 marks. How to explain? Give the heading explanation. Then write, in the above 2 lines, the poet praises Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He says, Allah, his rank is great in respect. He has ever remaining qualities. He is the Lord of, it means Allah is the Lord of earths, skies, and the running water means the rivers. In this way you have to explain it. Got it? This is your section 1. Unraise your hand. Need not to raise your hand. I will ask you to clear your doubts by raising the hand. Then you have to raise your hand. Please unraise it. Unraise your hand. Shireen Fatima. Got it? This is your section 1. Now we will proceed towards the next section, section 2. Okay, section 2, COVID-19 paper pattern. In section 2, he will ask you, section 2nd, he will ask you to write the summary of any one of the following poems. Any one of the following poems. In not less than. The question will be given in Arabic as well as in English. Not less than 100 words. Carries 6 marks. Okay. He will give you the names of the poems. Alhamdu, Uhibbu, Shabun Nabi. Like this. Out of 3 poems, earlier he was giving 2 options. Now 1 option has been increased. So out of 3 options, you have to answer 1 in your own language. In your own language means you may answer your question in English or in Hindi or in Arabic or in any other language. Okay. Alhamdu, the praise. He will not give you the translation of the lesson, poem's name. Alhamdu, you have to remember Alhamdu means the praise. He is asking you to write the summary of praise. Then Uhibbu, I love. He will not mention here I love. You have to remember it. Then Shabun Nabi, the young, the noble youth, the noble young boy. You have to remember this. Okay. Shabun Nabil you have to remember. Among these 3 poems, you have to answer 1 poem in not less than 100 words. Minimum words are 100. Maximum you may extend your answer to 300 words, but not more than 300 words. Okay. Better you may confine your answer. You may restrict your answer to 150 words. That is the medium way. That is the best way. If you want to write the extended summary, so you may go to up to 300 words, but not more than 300 words. If you go beyond 300 words, then paper will not sufficient for you. Answer booklet will not be sufficient for you to write the other sections. Okay. One answer booklet will be given. From that answer booklet, you have to confine your whole answers. Total 16 bits you have to cover in that one answer booklet. No extra additional will be given to you, as you know that. Okay. Now come to the section number 3. Section number 3. Section 3. C19 paper pattern. Same question will be there, but instead of poems, here it will become lessons. Okay. Write the summary of any one of the following lessons in not less than 100 words in your own language. ABCD order will be given, but this belongs to section prose. For example, Suratul Quraish, then Uhibbu an Akun, I would like to become. Okay, Uhibbu an Akun. This lesson has 2 names. Uhibbu an Akun, one name is there. Another name is Mada Tuhibbu an Takun. Okay. Another name is Mada Tuhibbu an Takun. If he gives you the name Uhibbu an Akun, then you have what would you? I would like to become. Okay. You have to write the same summary. If he gives you the name Mada Tuhibbu an Takun, what would you like to become? Then you have to give the same summary. There is no change. 2 names belongs to 1 lesson only. These 2 names belongs to 1 lesson. Either of the lessons you have to answer the same. Then Khidmatul Walidain. Khidmatul Walidain. Service to parents. Okay. This lesson. Among these, this is the most important one, Suratul Quraish and Khidmatul Walidain. Okay. Prepare well for these 2 lessons. Okay. Answer this question in not less than 100 words, minimum 100 words, maximum 300 words. Better you go to the medium way. 150 words. You restrict your answer to 150 to 100 words, not more than that. So that you will get 6 marks. This is your section number 3. Got it? Okay. Now we will begin the doubt clarification session. One by one you have to raise your hand and ask your queries.